Welcome to metal stud and drywall takeoffs using the eTakeoff custom measurement list. eTakeoff's Excel integration is designed to use your existing Excel estimating template. The provided Excel workbook is structured to extract takeoff data from eTakeoff and make it available to you in an Excel format with range names already assigned. Allow me to show you what that means for you. Selecting the MS plus DW wall measurement list takeoff tool from the list of traces, we perform a length measurement clicking at each location we wish to add one stud in accordance with industry accepted construction protocols. In each of these drop-down boxes, we can choose various properties for this wall. Gauges from 25 to 16, widths from 1.5 inches to 8 inch, stud spacing, side occurrence of drywall, the count of layers of drywall on each of those sides, the metal stud framing height, area deduct in square feet, if any, the drywall height. Choose the drywall type from the drop-down list. By checking the insulation checkbox, we gain access to the choices of insulation. By checking the CRC yes/no checkbox, we gain access to those choices. Enter the location, keeping in mind any sorting requirements that will be necessary for this project. Most projects' material configurations are repeated many times from wall to wall. Rather than entering all this information again and again, create a favorite that can be used not only in this project, but perhaps in future projects as well. Using the global favorite we created, it is easy to use the same settings for another wall by simply double-clicking the item. The only property we need change is the location. Ceiling joist takeoffs are easily performed by clicking the MS plus DW Ceiling ML tool and performing a clockwise area measurement and choosing the appropriate items from the drop-down boxes. Again, very easy to create a global favorite or a project favorite and use it to do numerous ceiling joist takeoffs. The system has the capability of unlimited measurement list column configurations. In the View tab, left-click Measurement List, right-click on any of the column headers, and left-click Load Column Configuration. Choose the MSDW Ceiling ML Excel Transfer Config. Sort the list by the appropriate column. Make sure the Excel worksheet for ceiling joist is visible. Left-click the upper left data area. Hold down the Shift key and left-click the lower right data area and drag and drop the data onto the worksheet. Transferring the line item data for wall takeoffs is very similar to the ceiling joist procedure. Load the metal stud wall transfer configuration. Sort the data by the appropriate column in the direction desired. Make the Excel worksheet for walls visible on the monitor desired. Left-click the upper left corner of the data area and the lower right corner of the data area. Then drag and drop onto the worksheet. Let's take a look at the Excel worksheets. In the ceiling joist line item transfer worksheet, we have the following columns that correspond to the eTakeoff measurement list configuration for ceiling joist takeoffs. In the wall line item transfer worksheet, these are the columns that match the eTakeoff measurement list config for wall takeoffs. In the data and materials worksheet, all of these cells have range names and are accumulative quantities rather than line item takeoff displays. This template can be assigned to any existing eTakeoff project by choosing the project from the eTakeoff item in the add-ins in the menu bar. Make sure you refresh the project so you are always relying on the most current information. What is available in this worksheet are wall lengths of various heights from 4 feet to 24 feet in gauges from 25 to 16. Total stud material and ceiling joist material by gauge and width. Drywall for walls and ceilings. Insulation for horizontal and vertical application in 24-inch or 16-inch widths. And cold roll channel for wall stiffener materials. As you can see, each of the data cells are range named to make building formula as intuitive as is possible with Excel. Over the years, Microsoft Excel has made it easy for their users to build relational formula within a single worksheet, in many worksheets, within a workbook, and across many different workbooks, simply by having the applicable workbooks open and pointing and typing the desired relationship while Excel builds the actual formula. Contact me for training in this process. I would be happy to assist you doing this with your workbooks and estimating templates. Feel free to contact me with any questions you may have.